Hey folks, Keith Miller with Sea Ray Boats. I am the Regional Business Manager, and today I'm here in sunny St. Pete, Florida at MarineMax. We're going to take you on a walkthrough of this great SLX 310 right here. If you like it, please subscribe and watch some more of our great videos.
Thanks, Keith. Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and today we are on an all-new Sea Ray 310 SLX outboard, enjoying a beautiful day out in the Gulf of Mexico. We got a full tank of fuel, cool Sea Ray socks, got my shorty shorts on, and the whole weekend ahead of us. Let's have some fun. Starting back here, of course, with the two Mercury 300 white Verados, gives us the ability to have joystick piloting. I'll get to that in a minute. One of the features I love on a 310 SLX right here. Got a nice little swim platform right there. We'll get to that in a second though. What does Sea Ray SLX mean to me? It means no compromise, luxury day boat. You're gonna notice a few things different on the SLX series than other models. Starting with the hardtop up there, and now that I've got the sunshade extended, I have shade coverage on this whole luxurious pad back here. Diamond stitch upholstery, real nice attention to detail. Cup holders, and of course, control of your tunes back here. Making my way from the sea deck flooring all the way down to the infinity woven vinyl carpet, which brings me over here to the really nice and spacious seating area in the cockpit, where you're gonna have a pop-in table, eat your lunch, your dinner, have a few drinks, mix a few cold ones. What's not to love? Let me make my way over here to this area where you've got a nice hard countertop, sink area right here, keep your ice in, which is also available in an option for a grill. Storage down beneath here. Check out though these handrails right here. Sea Ray really didn't spare any expenses when it came to this. Also got your fridge down there, keep everything nice and cold and cool, especially when the sun's hot. Summertime Florida, it gets hot, trust me. Check out the premium speaker package here, up in the hardtop, big subwoofer down below. You want to know what they say when I pull up to the sandbar? They say, here comes old Nick in his 310 SLX. Let's get the party started. Got a nice forward-facing co-captain seat where you can actually fit two full-grown adults, but that's not what it's all about. When you're at the sandbar, now you can get the conversation started. You can get to know your family, your loved ones, your friends that maybe you haven't seen in a few years. This is why you buy a Sea Ray 310 SLX. It's a long day, it's hot out. The last thing you want to do is get into a cramped head compartment. No worries here. Coming up here to the helm seat, we've got a nice bench seat right here. Diamond stitch upholstery. Able to fit two adults, your closest companion, maybe your son or daughter by your side. Dual SIMRAD units right here, get your navigation on one screen, your fish finder on the other, control your sunshade even. Fusion head unit, digital throttle shift, and like we talked about before with the twin Mercury engines on the back, that gives us the option to have joystick piloting, which is much more than just docking ease. It also enables the skyhook feature, which can let you stay in one place effortlessly. Watch this. What these engines are doing right now is acting individually yet as a team to stay in the same GPS location that you push that skyhook on. Great for waiting your turn at the sandbar or waiting for a dock to open at a restaurant. Up here on the bow, you've got room for 4, maybe 5 adults even. Huge social zone. Able to fit another table up here. All the way up to our windlass automatic anchor hauler with a freshwater washdown too. Get the salt off you when you're back on the boat. Once again, I'm Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Petersburg. Summertime is here, the Florida sun is out, and I'm ready to have some fun. So come on down and join me, and let's get into the next boat of your dreams. Bye guys. Come on in, the water's fine. told you I'd tell you what this swim platform does. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm signing off.